Hi friends, once again welcome to the G-Tech Maker. This video, this is not a tech video, it's an unboxing video from Zebronics. It's a budget 5.1 multimedia computer speakers, can be used as the home theater. It's an unboxing video. I will show you, not a review product. I have bought it from Zebronics. It comes with a nice packing. Do upside down, front position. Take a knife to open it and show it to you. Let's unbox it. The packing is very nice, coming with a very good packing. Inside it is a simple cardboard box. Show it to you guys. Link in the description so you can check it there. The package is about completely 5 kgs. Oh, there is another box inside. Let me see it. It's called the sound monitor. Let me take it out. It's the actual packing of the Zebronics 5.1 home theater. A picture of the home theater here with the subwoofer. Here you can see the model Zebronics BT6590 RUF. I will show you the facilities of the speaker and the description. Here you can see subwoofer equal to 35 watts and the remaining satellite speakers is 6 watts. That's 5 speakers. The total output RMS is 65 watts. Woofer is 4 ohms. Satellite speaker also 4 ohms. Response is from 40 Hz to 20 kHz. SN ratio 75 dB. And you will get another facilities like Bluetooth, USB, SD, FM, wall mount clamps, subwoofer, LED display, remote control and aux. Let me open the main package. Let me take a knife and cut it. Oh, there is an invoice bill inside. By opening the package, you can see the 5 satellite speakers in top with a remote control device. It comes with a battery. Let me show the satellite speakers to you. Bottom of the package, the subwoofer. Let me take it and show it to you. This is the main subwoofer of our home theater or computer speakers. Let me take it. Oh, there is another package including the instruction manual and the other cables and jacks. Let me show it to it. This is the total products inside the package including 5.1 speakers, satellite speakers and subwoofer. I didn't expect this type of finish in this budget speakers. The actual look was so nice. One satellite speaker to you. In the front grill it is plastic and other is wood. It's a good quality. Comes with a connecting jack which goes to the subwoofer. Show you the additional package. What it includes: a user manual. See the picture of the home theater in the instruction manual. Read it carefully before using the home theater. Next it is wall mount screws to hang the satellite speakers in wall. Next the audio jack. With a RCA connector, we can connect it to the computer and to the mobile phone. The white color is the FM antenna cable and the mount clamps. I will show you the old connection to the subwoofer to you. Connection from the satellite speakers and connect to the audio output. All 5 satellite speakers. The white FM antenna to the FM port. This is a full setup of the home theater. You can see the control panel in the front panel. Then you can control it with the remote or with the control panel. One portion is made of plastic and the side and full portion is made up of wood. And you can see the satellite speakers grill is made up of plastic and the body is wood. You can see the branding in front of it, Zebronics, and comes with a bush. Let's test it.